Today I've got something insane, a DIY smartwatch that's sleek, loaded with features and crazy easy to make. We're talking flawless timekeeping, weather updates, navigation on your wrist, even music control, all crammed into one tiny package. And the absolute best part, you'll build this beast with just one component. Let's unbox the magic. I just got this beauty from elecro.com and I'm pumped to show you what's inside. Here we go. A USB Type-C cable for programming and power. And the star of the show, a gorgeous 1.28-inch round IPS screen with a 240 by 240 resolution and a 178 degrees viewing angle and whopping 350 nits brightness, meaning you get vivid, realistic colors no matter how you look at it. Plus, it's got capacitive touch built right in. Sleek, right? But here's where it gets wild. This isn't just a pretty screen. It's a fully loaded smartwatch platform. On the driver board, we've got the ESP32 C3 microcontroller, super efficient and packed with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. That's right, no external chips needed. It's all in here. There's a 40 MHz crystal keeping it ticking, a buzzer for some audio feedback, and even a PCB antenna for wireless magic. You've got a USB Type-C port for programming and power, and a battery connector and a TP4054 if you want to go fully standalone, where you can charge the battery through USB Type-C connector. There's even a CR927 battery holder for the RTC, paired with a BM8563 EMA chip and a 32.768 kHz quartz crystal to keep time accurate. Add in a customizable button for user interface and a status LED, reset and boot buttons for the ESP32. An encoder for navigation. Oh, and check this out, a vibration motor for that smartwatch haptic feel. It's all here. Now here's the engineering magic. The display connects to the driver board via a flexible PCB. This tiny detail integrates the LCD and touchscreen seamlessly with the ESP32, packing everything into one compact unit. It's like a smartwatch in a box, ready to roll. This is why I'm obsessed with this thing, one component, endless possibilities. And speaking of smart design, integrating tiny parts like this flexible PCB takes some serious skill. That's where tools like Altium Designer and Altium 365 come in clutch, especially if you're dreaming up your own hardware masterpiece. Picture this. You're designing a custom smartwatch from scratch, flexible PCBs, microcontrollers, touchscreens, the works. Tools like Altium Designer and Altium 365 make that process a breeze. Altium Designer is your go-to for crafting precision circuits, while Altium 365 takes it to the cloud, connecting your whole team in real time. With Altium 365 you can review and tweak design files right in your browser, dropping comments for your crew. Share detailed specs with software engineers instantly, datasheets and all. And when it's time to build, just email the full design package to your manufacturer. Done. It's a collaboration on steroids, and it's perfect for projects like this CrowPanel smartwatch. Big thanks to Altium for keeping hardware dreams alive. Alright, let's bring this thing to life. Grab that USB-C cable and plug it in. Boom, you're hit with a slick boot animation that screams cool. Then an analog dial pops up to say hello. Strap it on my wrist, look at that. It's the perfect watch size, feels like it was made for this. Swipe left and here's the alarm page. Super simple, set your hours and minutes, flip it on or off with one tap. No snooze button to tempt you, just pure discipline. And the touch sensitivity. Insane, even these tiny icons respond like a dream. Swipe again, another analog face, just as stylish. Oh, and get this, it comes with adhesive on the back, so you can slap it into a 3D printed case if you're feeling crafty. But now, let's make it smart. Okay, time to level up. Head over to the GitHub page, links in the description, download the Chronos code and extract it. Fire up VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and install the Platformio extension if you haven't already. Load up that project folder and here's the key move. Find the config file and uncomment elecro C3128. Don't skip this. It's what tells the code we're rocking this exact display. Plug the CrowPanel into your computer via USB-C. Check your COM port, mine's COM7, yours might differ, then select it in Platform IO. Hit that upload button and watch the magic happen. Once it's done, the ESP32 auto resets via the RTS pin. Bam, the screen lights up with the new software ready to roll. Check it out. This beauty is rocking a vibrant 1.28-inch round IPS display with smooth capacitive touch, running Chronos, a lightweight OS that's perfect for a smartwatch. Let's dive into the magic. First up, timekeeping and weather tracking. Look at this crisp interface. You've got a daily forecast for the whole week, bam, and an hourly breakdown for today. No squinting needed, it's all right here. Now swipe to the menu. Whoa, that round scrolling is buttery smooth, a total feast for the eyes. And the watch faces, unreal. Just like switching wallpapers on your phone, you can pick your vibe. We've got an elegant analog face, classy. A bold red digital look, sharp. And my personal fave, this radar-inspired theme. It's got analog vibes with a stunning interface. Doesn't even feel like a typical watch, right? Next, the Settings app. Total control at your fingertips. Tweak screen brightness, toggle circular scroll, set screen timeout and rotation, manage navigation and alerts, plus battery info and device details. It's your watch, your rules. Let's level up. Grab my phone for this one. Check out the Find Phone feature. Tap it and boom, my phone's blaring and lighting up. Lost your phone in the couch? This is your lifesaver. Now the apps. We've got contacts and then navigation. If your phone's running maps, this watch shows turn-by-turn directions on your wrist. Here's the killer part. It works even if your phone's locked. No more fumbling with a bike mount, just pocket your phone, fire up navigation, and let your wrist guide the way. Oh, and there's more. A Fireman Says game for kicks. And a Pio bot that reacts to your touch, super quirky. But wait, the cherry on top, music control. Play, pause, skip tracks forward or back. Even crank the volume, all from here. Imagine vibing to your playlist without touching your phone. Sick, right? All of this packed into a 1.28-inch IPS screen with 240 by 240 resolution. So there you have it, folks. A fully loaded DIY smartwatch built with just one component. This project's so simple yet so ridiculously powerful, and I dare you to try it. Whip up your own and drop those epic build pics in the comments below. I want to see what you got. But hold up, we're not done yet. I'm already cooking up something big. A custom enclosure, a slick wristband, the works, turning this into a full-on next-level smartwatch. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So stay tuned to Electronics Innovation for the juicy updates on this project. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep this DIY party rolling.